If I should surrender, what I go chop up, my brother. In kitty, Katrina,
this, but I will never say never. Negative thoughts in my head saying, make I just take Sakawa. Many things my eyes are seeing. My mama no do complain. I got wounds on my body, I'm healing. Spiritually battles, I'm facing. With a trap in a bando. With a fire like Taekwondo. Bruce Lee in a commando. They will see we fall a show.
What ya say? And then we guess the name. No introduction needed. Why your intro ni bibia wa nyum. The song is speaking volume. Banero. So do you know?
Yeah.
Banero.
Yeah.
Nice song.
Aka Neruru.
Aka Neruru.
Neruru.
No be small Neruru. Onyumane nice.
Onua.
Me sure so say obi aka cho say onyumane nice. Obi aka cho everybody saying it.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like we have people who are like like definitely you get some silly comments.
I know there. It's not to happen. And you'll be an yeah, but the song is making positive
waves. Yeah.
Yes. It will media and so will be a bo. Even before someone can say you and him connect and you make waves.
Yeah.
And you blowing, how did you feel?
Feeling very grateful because finally finally our hard work is beginning to pay off, and we are getting all the credits, and it's crazy.
Oba ya remix ana.
We are working.
Oba ya remix song. Ka do one better.
We in particular selective. Actually,
sure.
We are looking at the works.
Okay.
Anybody at all who's like good with the work,
okay,
that can suit the Hosanna style. Yeah, we work.
Onua FM.
Okay. Into one man the title Hosanna. Now 2 years na sinu de Hosanna.
Okay, actually now you drop our previous song Sabali.
My line back when you had it.
I know you left home to feed him. Prodigal son soon come home. This time around is the bingo. I will take cash in your portmanteau. By the way, I trap and know. Call your mama and send him more. All the friends you follow. Some of them are evil. Assalamu alaikum. Them go to try kill you soon. But I wanna go against the abusum. Meaning patience.
Onua FM.
Kasabaya.
Bambara with like ancient.
We Bambara ni.
No.
We Dani.
Me and Kenny.
And one fan she will be where she mad.
Yeah, like if you watch my previous songs or like your titles now, as a spiritual from high spirits, Sabali, Hosanna. Yeah.
It's a spiritual headlines.
Yeah.
Making waves all the time.
Yeah.
Well, you know, before Hosanna, not after Hosanna.
Way before Hosanna, so now I say a new winner ever hit it.
Okay.
So we're pumping like a lot in this project.
Sabali no mum.
So we're seeing like we were sorting out influencers, for the promo and all, but not MPK. So I was getting the doubts, like my thoughts, like with this music thing, like ever far and say far.
Oh.
So that was where I tapped the inspirations to write. But I had voices in my head telling me to surrender. Because the Sabali was not moving like that, so I was thinking, I knew which Charlie, you go pick or you no go pick. So it be that way I get the inspirations. I write Hosanna, put it out there, and boom.
It's in Hosanna, not one pick it and can no.
Although regardless, like we won't give up though, but
Now we dream, we dream. Aside music, where they?
Oh, we on the streets grinding.
Grinding.
Petty business.
No chatters, factors, no be answers. No. Sabali no so it's a very nice song.
Yeah.
I believe say any Hosanna ni na what a connection camp.
Yeah.
Because I met was ni be wo Hosanna no more. And I said they see rhyming in here.
The spiritual connection, like I said, yeah.
A spiritual connection, no. So Bali.
Sabali. Yeah.
For the friends you follow. So who release Hosanna no? Am I pressure say obe putting in more work in your next song?
247 we are putting in the work. So actually the only pressure we are having now is so many, should I say, requests. Your next song, remix, music video. That's the pressure right now. But stick it to the plan. We don't want to. We have everything drawn already. We don't want to rush anything.
Be a more pressure.
Yeah.
You feel it so bad now, Papa. Busy video nyamba out.
No, just drop a couple of viral videos. Yeah.
Okay. But pressure na can say my music video no they won't see.
Because Jumano, we want everything to be in order. We can shoot a music video today, but it has to be structured. Yeah.
And at the band so that's nyefa. Yenya na ebesa ba show. Because what pro say the music video abani ade.
Banku music video.
Yeah. Yeah, on social media. Social media platforms then are you active, very active.
Well, active on IG. Any Twitter. Any TikTok.
There be there's always one ahead of the others.
Okay, so Ozana no trendy or TikTok. So I'm active there because I have to be reposting people using the sound and all. So I'm more active there, but I'm less interactive. As in with the messages and all. The message requests are too many, so I just maybe I comment, you reply, I like, then we move on.
So be that same barber show.
Yeah.
You only in and never cast away any screenshots in the idea.
Yeah.
Then an hour year before I see I'll be Banero Unyibium.
FM. I'm a sad.
Oh.
Yeah, I was in the dance and the music.
Now you boom. That is nice.
But in SHS now me focusing more on the dance.
On the dance,
yeah, because it was a senior high school and I sang in a couple.
Yeah, dance click in the idea.
Yeah.
Now guess into the Namosano.
Oh no.
Oh, Nasan I'm dance a WOHO on the guess into the Nosa.
Okay, maybe I don't know.
Oh, Jai. We now or run a set now one sissy say and I guess never. Also, Bessa, still corner or Tonyum sa. I don't know the free that dancing by Nyum direct and I'm so bobo.
Bobo.
What kind of crew? And try mucha. This idea winning me own how.
Dance, music.
Music. It's in music and I think I buy strictly dance. Like what the dance crew be like out children.
No, San Crapo like I paused the dance for like long time. 2017 Honum Tom.
Oh, I know.
So I was more on the grind.
Let's say we school 2017.
Yeah.
SS.
Adwuma Memorial.
And what been? Because that's when they have been phone call.
No more average student.
Oh, average.
Yeah, time no, I will be, I think, the category B also. Yeah.
2 years school now, yeah, then?
From school, Accra Technical University. And then from there, streets.
Accra Technical University,
purchasing, procurement.
Purchasing and supply.
Yeah.
Where do you? Because it's easy. Level 10, I will drop it out.
I think second year. Yeah.
It's not come back on the way.
Yeah, but then the more we were going, the more the
it keeps
getting intense. Yeah.
Into my make can say, and that's what I will focus.
No, my sister.
What did she say?
She felt a little bit
disappointed.
But then I told her not to lose hope because I know what I'm doing.
The music is going to pay.
Yes.
You come back and now say that.
Oh yeah, I go back.
I told you so.
I go back.
Better bring. And I'm pressure. We will be at home.
I want to give myself some few time. I'll go back.
And took out question say level 1 and I said from scratch.
Oh, I'll start from scratch. I can start. It doesn't matter. Let me start from scratch.
Onua FM.
At that time now, Baby superstar now will see I will be a camera now. Class.
Oh, we know how we will deal with things. It could be here or it could be outside. Yeah.
But I didn't have a call.
Yeah.
2 books, you know way.
The house.
Oh, the old.
The house. I have some of my slides and all.
Slides, phone I busy now. Down space no crime. Hey, Banero. It's nice because it's me focusing on one thing. Music is a whole career.
Yeah.
School is a whole new job.
Yes.
And I'm more to me combine it to their geniuses. So.
Yeah. I wanted the music so bad, so I was giving like 60 well, let me say 70-30 to the academics. So,
so 30 for academics, 70 for music.
So that was what was affecting me. So I had
to balance.
Because I had the feeling, say, no, this music thing, I could take on to the next level. So the focus was more than,
And I truly started. Here we are.
Crazy.
Chasing the dreams.
Yeah, man.
I'm happy for you. Say what you see, the right thing, which will make you happy. Yeah. Your happiness matters to yourself.
And right now, my sister is even way happy. She did take flex for town and things. So that be good.
Sir, where are your parents?
They passed on.
Oh, I'm so sorry for bringing up this.
It's all parts of the reason why I wanted to do your music, because small time not like
Raho.
So I was putting it in pen and paper. Small time on me BB, I was writing something. So that was where the passion for music really grew. Because any quiet time I get, you see me meditating, writing something. So yeah.
You know big sister.
What's it?
You know sister. We too.
Yeah, and my brother.
And your brother.
Yeah.
You're not a second child.
Me last. My sister is the eldest brother. I'm the last baby.
Oh, baby last. That's nice. And your baby or baby about how the sister baby in Jumo. And then girlfriends they never also.
Me studio for me maybe studio. Go age man.
Let's guess you know baby you know one side. Post your baby.
Oh that. Maybe I'm a sister. Posting this.
Now Oga better say we post your sister.
Oh me
yeah damasi. Many girls na yina me jina mu nyina na magasi nya me won hira ho.
Amen.
Yo. Say mo ko so na mu deny yin.
Oh that.
Pastor girls mate. Mususu mu deny wo mu. Boyfriends day I think say next month. The omo ya na enyo mo bi because you keep hearing voices ringing. See I get wounds on my body. I am healing.
I will see we fall a show. Oh, I keep hearing voices reading.
Ringing and not reading.
Within.
Oh.
Yeah.
I say I keep hearing voices within. Me say I keep hearing voices ringing. Maybe say I keep hearing voices reading. Say within. Then think I can within and then think I had. I don't know what yes sir.
Saying style it was all planned though. The reason why everyone is saying Hosanna getting Bela or Hosanna yes, we wanted to create like a fun argument between two people. Like if this one they listen, we go to say no, Bela, this one say no, and so that.
So it's nearer.
Yes, it keeps the streams going. And right now we have
keep hearing voices within telling me do I.
It's just like Daddy Lumba song. Sometimes
yeah, until I didn't hear.
It's still been edited doors or something be like that. Something like that. Yeah. Shout out to Daddy Lumba, man.
Yeah.
One love.
Yeah. Hearing voices within,
asking me do I trust and believe. Better days are nearer. Sarah. We not giving up, brother.
We are not giving up,
no
brother.
Giving up, brother.
No giving up.
Ozzy. Hosanna getting nearer.
Ozzy.
Many things my eyes are seeing. Mama, no, they don't complain.
Banero, one outro no.
Yeah.
And now a couple of writers are moved back together.
No. From scratch. Yeah.
From scratch.
Yeah. The lyrics are all based on maybe things I've passed through, or things I've experienced, or things going on around
you.
Yeah.
I think it's chill, me boy.
Oh yes. Some days like that.
And get
catch many days, but we never say never.
We never say never.
Yeah.
And I seem to crow to two, and then the
spiritual battles. Sometimes you have spiritual war, like wars you are facing, and everybody then them. Yeah.
I understand. Banero, our interview is over. Your final words.
Shout out to everyone supporting Banzy Banero. Banzy Banero is like the new guy in the industry right now. With your support right now, just keep supporting. We have more works coming, and trust me, we are going to take Ghana music really, really, really far. One love to all my realists.
If life's